What's the meaning of beveled? Beveled. Beveled.
Bevelled. Bevelled. Bevelled is a term used to describe an angled edge or surface of an object. When an edge or surface is beveled, it means that it has been cut or shaped at an angle other than 90 degrees. This technique is commonly used in woodworking, metalworking, and glass cutting to create decorative edges, to facilitate joining with other pieces, or to reduce sharp corners that could be hazardous. Beveled edges may also be used for aesthetic purposes, such as creating a sleek and modern look on furniture or mirrors. Overall, the process of beveling adds both functionality and visual appeal to objects across various industries.